Hi everyone, welcome back to the Forexhunt YouTube channel. This video is specifically for the weekly analysis, which we are doing on the regular basis. So first of all, we will understand the mechanism of gold, what gold will potentially do in this week, and the breakdown for the entries which we have shared in the group has been already uploaded in Hindi language. So you guys can go and watch it. And in this video, we are going to update the coming week analysis. So let's have a look into the weekly time frame and understand the direction. So you guys can see that market is currently in a downtrend. Okay, so because without big factors, market already dropped around 922 pips. So this is a enormous drop in gold, and this was because of some fundamentals and because of some technical reasons which has been appeared at the daily time frame. According to the daily storyline, the market dropped. Okay, so now we have to understand the box. The bubble box here is a symbol of buy. Okay, this is a symbol of buy because this is engulfing buy type 2, and within this time frame we have a sell. Okay, we have a sell in weekly time frame which hasn't been broken yet. Market went to the upper side, but within 2 or 3 days maximum, it dropped down to the bottom and it closed within the purple box. So once it closes within the purple box, it simply shows the power and the strength of the sellers at the particular point 2485. Okay, so let's now understand what this box can do now. This is a buy box which has been tested once. This is sell box which has been tested multiple times. So weekly and daily time frames can be used multiple times. Okay, even if they are tested, you guys can use it for 4, 5, 6, 7 multiple times. But every time market is coming to your box, you have to look for the ABC confirmation, which is a solid confirmation and an evidence. Understand the power and the appearance and the presence of sellers or buyers at a particular time. Which ABC you guys have to look for in this bubble box? You have to first understand the daily time frame structure to understand the Monday market direction. Then you guys can put H1 ABC to understand where market will potentially drop or it can go up. Okay, so now have a look into the daily time frame because daily is very important to understand. According to the weekly time frame, the market is in a sell trend because market hasn't broken the weekly sell and it hasn't become a sell failed. Okay, so now let's have a look into the daily time frame. As you guys can see, we have a hidden sell which has been formed here. Okay, because this is a sell which has been failed and again a daily candle closed below the zone, but there is a buy as well in the daily time frame which can throw the market to the upper side. Okay, which can push the market to the upper side. Below the daily engulfing, we have a buy again. Okay, so these boxes are for retracement boxes of buyers. Okay, so if market wants to go up, it can go 200, 300 pips max to the upper side, but without any confirmation, you guys cannot understand whether market will go up or down. Okay, but there is one more thing you have to understand. There is a fundamental news going all over the world globally that gold can open up with a gap up. Okay, tomorrow is Monday, the first day of trading. Okay, so market can open with a gap up because of some geopolitical tensions and wars going in the countries, in between two countries. And there are two also other reasons because China's supply and demand on the basis of gold and India's RBI policies to cut the movement of golds. So that's why market has two-phase directions in daily time frame. Market can go up on the basis of geopolitical tensions in between two countries, which is a war scenario. And according to the monetary and fiscal policies of governments in China and India, it can go down further. Okay, solidly fundamentals which are having a nature of gap up, it can happen but you guys cannot be so sure that whether market will go up 100% or down. Okay, so two fundamentals are going on currently. So those people who are not who are new to the trading, okay, so they can avoid trading for Monday on Tuesday, because you guys are not aware of what will happen Monday, Tuesday. So if you guys are a risk-taking trader, you guys can take with like a small percentage of your accounts, and you guys can do buy or sell. Okay, so now we have a sell according to this purple box. We have a buy according to this purple box, as well as this buy according to the purple box. And along with that, we have a sell confirmation here as well. So the direction in daily time frame is 50-50. It has two buys and two sells. Okay, anything can happen in these purple boxes. Even market can go directly down to the downside, and it can go up from this purple box, means this engulfing buy. Why such can happen? Because this has taken a resistance sell from this area, which was H1 hidden engulfing sell, along with the confirmation of H4 engulfing sell, the complete sideways criteria and the daily storyline rejection. Okay, I hope you guys are able to understand. Even if you are not able to understand, you guys don't need to panic. This is the purple boxes you have to look for, and the direction in daily time frame is 50. The market can go up from this purple box if H1 ABC forms in this purple box. So once ABC forms, and if you have evidence of H1 ABC buy along with H4 engulfing buy, you guys can take entry with confidence, and it can go up. Okay, if market forms ABC sell in H1 time frame, in this time frame, you guys can go for a sell, and this you guys can go for buy if H1 ABC buy forms. Okay, so we have the understanding of daily time frame. Now we have to go to the H4 time frame, and we have to understand what can be potentially possible. The things which are potentially possible, we have a sell here, which is only available. We have a buy that has been failed. We have a buy again which has been failed. We have a buy which has been failed. So we have three buy fail and one engulfing sell. So we have one buy here, which is fresh. You guys can take and filter it into the 4 and 15 strategy. Okay. We have one more buy here, which you guys can use for buying gold. This one and this one. I hope you guys are able to understand what we are going to mark today. If you guys want to make this purple box small, you guys can simply do by marking it as a sell fail. Okay. Along with that, we have a buy, two buys. Now we will move to the H1 time frame. So once we move to the H1 time frame, you guys can see we have a hidden engulfing sell at this point. Okay, which is totally fresh, and you guys can take it with confidence. This is your 2443, 2435. So this is 80% zone. You guys can do the confirmation, take the confirmation in the trades. Okay. Along with that, we have one more thing. At this point, we have a buy fail in H1 time frame. Okay. We have one more sell at this point. This one is our sell. Sell failed sell. It means hidden sell has been formed here. And now we are moving to this. This is our H1 press. This is our H1 tested zone, and this is our H1 tested zone. So we have 2 or 3 H1 buys here. We will mark everyone. Okay, now we have to move to the top area. So we have one top area at this line. So it's really next to impossible to touch this zone in this week. It can possible if some fundamentals are so much strong, but with normal market conditions, it cannot go till this area this week. It needs more power of buyers. Okay, now we'll move to the M15 time frame. So in this M15 time frame, you guys can see what we are having here. We need M15 fresh. Okay, so we have this M15 fresh, which has hasn't been tested yet. So we will mark it 2471. 2471, okay? We have this M15, which we can mark. We have one more cell. We have one cell here as well. If your zones are very near to each other, you guys can simply take M5 confirmations if the market is in a hard condition, okay? So you guys can filter it to this level. Okay, guys. I'm simply cutting it into the M15 by fair area. Okay, now we have one more box here. So we need an M15 tested. Sorry, M15 fresh. So just marking this area. This is your M15 fresh. So here you guys can take entry without confirmation, but remember one thing: if take confirmation as M1 or M5, that will work so solidly that you won't need to take another entry that particular day. Okay. And in this black zone area, we don't have any M15 fresh. Okay. If you guys can see, no M15 fresh means no trade simply till this area. Means 2431 is the first bit of stop for gold to sell. And these are the second, third, fourth, fifth. Now we have some buys which we have to modify. So just placing my purple box here. So in this July's time, what we have to do, we have to take confirmations of M5 ABC or M1 ABC based on your appetite. Okay. So if you guys are a risk taking trader, you guys can simply take M1 ABC, and if you guys are not risk free trader, just use M5 ABC for high accuracy. This is my next M15, which is fresh. So this will work without any confirmation. This is the simplest thing which you guys need. Along in this box open, we have this M15. So we have 2 or 3 M15 here. First one, okay, the tested. This is the first. This is the second box. So in this way, we have analyzed this chart for this coming week. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to take confirmations, okay, in USSN. If market is coming to your boxes in the USSN, you have simply use M5 ABC in USSN. Even M5A or B will work, okay, in your boxes. For example, if you have this box, you have this box, these two boxes will work without confirmation. In this box, you need M1 ABC. Okay, M1 ABC will give you good bits, but in this, no confirmation. In these two boxes, no confirmation. But in this particular two boxes, you need M5 ABC here, M1 ABC here, and these are no confirmation zones. Okay, but if there is fundamentals, you guys have to be so aware that market can do whatever it wants to do. Just simply be active in the group. So we share our signals, pinpoint signals with you guys in our Telegram channel. If you guys want full guidance regarding the pinpoint entries and the precision of the zones, you guys can join our IB group. Okay, in our IB group, you will get the signals with SL and TPs, small SL, bigger TPs, and we focus on the quality setups, not the quantity setups. Okay, simply you guys can join our IB. If you want to join our IB, you guys can simply DM us. We'll give you the SOP how to join our group for free. It's totally free. If you guys want, just need a registration process, and you guys are good to go in our group. Okay. And those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and give proper feedbacks, because feedbacks will be appreciated. And in similar way, we will upload more informative videos for you guys, so that you guys can take advantage of our free analysis, free theoretical knowledges and practical approaches to understand Forex market, especially the gold one. Okay, so if you guys have other queries regarding how to mark the zone, how to precise the zone, you guys can simply DM us. We will help you out the process, and you will be good to go with the engulfing zone. So just one thing, you guys have to maintain your risk. You have to manage your risk, because risk component is very important. Okay, risk management is very important. And the second thing is that you have to be attentive and focused on pinpoint entry, because pinpoint entry will surely give you profit as compared to the layering things. Because layering, you don't know where, from which point market will reverse and your SL will be hit. Even if you win 9 times in layering, so even one SL hits, you will blow your account simply. 1 or 2 SLs are enough to blow your account. So simply focus on the pinpoint entry, which we share in our engulfing group, or even you guys can join our Telegram channel. There we share our analysis for some times, and you guys can check the accuracy of our zones. And simply you guys can join our either group or even your mentorship if you guys are new to engulfing. And those who are not new to engulfing, just like looking for good strategies and problem solving skills, you guys can DM us. We will help you out with the process, and you guys can watch our earlier posted videos. There you will find the best strategy to understand the zones, take the zones, risk management, and you will get a psychological session within these videos. So thank you so much for watching the videos. Have an important update, like if you guys are taking zones, okay, taking entries without zones, so there is no point in taking entries without zones. And if you guys are taking entries in our purple boxes, so simply take confirmations in every boxes. Even M1 ABC is appreciated. After M1 ABC or M1 failed zones in this purple boxes, you guys can get good risk to reward, and you guys can grow around. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon.